Hey everyone and welcome back to another video from Vehicle Mania. Today we will be looking at the newly released Lamborghini Huracan Steratto and some details about it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss the latest updates on cars.
This one's for you. Concrete yearner, tamer of curves, master of speed. Wear your finest suit, dirt is made for it. Let the show off begin on this new concrete. Spray paint powder on tires that thrive on the rim. Dust is gold, dirt's for the bold. Block out the sun, raising red clouds on that dry ground. Make gravel rain down, let adrenaline and fun collide. Spraying grains of dust aside. It's no filth, this is design. Any amount of grime is fine. The more you get dirty, the more you'll shine. Dust is gold, dirt's for the bold. Dust is gold, dirt's for the bold.
As you saw there, the new Lamborghini is looking insane. Here are some specs listed. Full specifications will be in the description. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed.